是佛山紫微星阳宫三元三合风水的创始人，从事易经风水的近30年了，做的风水的应该也差不多有超过2万个案例了哈。在这个行业当中呢，做了著名的一些项目，易经风水的教学也做了10几年，目前的学生呢弟子也是不能说满天下，也不少了哈，收效都挺好的。这位也是我的得意弟子雍老师，他在澳洲世界各地也是做的这个不少的风水，也希望他把我们中国的这个阳宫风水发扬光大。
Hello everyone, I hope you're well. My name is Edgar Loc Tin Yong, and this is my master, 師傅or very respect master. He has a lot of information in his head. His head contains a lot of feng shui information. 師傅 write everything on board without notes, no need notes. 師傅 is very good. 師傅 have done over 20,000 cases, more than 20,000 cases, feng shui cases, and you will not be disappointed. For those who know Mandarin, know Chinese, I recommend you come to learn from 師傅 Master Yu, my 師傅 Master Yu. You may have checked my website and see Master Yu in photo, but now we see Master Yu in action.
謝謝。
Highly recommended, 師傅，多謝你。Thank you, Master. Thank you, 師傅。